It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good morning, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, today I will be explaining you a very unique concept here. So, in this concept, right, I will be discussing with you Bose-Einstein separators without any formula, with simple basics of permutations and combinations. I will solve each and every question in detailedly, and you can solve this question in 10 seconds, right, in your examination also. Now, before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma, and these are my scores in different examinations. These are my credentials. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount, and you'll get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now, why me? I am ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. So many students were asking me, what is the difference between Iconic and Plus, sir, and what are the advantages when we choose Iconic or Plus? In Iconic, you will be assigned with a personal coach exclusively. How this coach will be helpful? He will be giving you the best study plan. For each and every topic, you will be getting instant practice sets and the best specialized notes for you. Study booster sessions will be given to you. The most important thing regarding this personal coach is personalized test analysis. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified. If your mistakes are identified and rectified, your score will be boosted. This is what most of the students are suffering, right? Even though after completing the entire syllabus, many students complain this, sir, we are not able to solve the questions. We are not able to apply the things onto the questions. This is where your coach will be damn helpful for you. One more advantage when you choose Iconic, you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship with your mentor and educator so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing so that you will get the best solutions to overcome that. And one more advantage when you choose Iconic subscription, you will be getting access to complete Raudra coding classes so that you can complete all your software courses as a backup for your career. Now, whatever you get in Plus, you will get in Iconic also. In Plus, the classes will be on live pattern, which will be in English and Hindi. And each and every course will be well structured and you can choose your own courses and batches according to your need. If you want to start from scratch, you can go for comprehensive courses. If you want only cream, right, crash courses, rank improvement batches will be helpful, right? Weekly tests are available, quizzes are available. You can access them unlimitedly. How much you have to invest? If you are choosing Plus and if you are opting for 24 month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 65 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now, when you use my code NLN10, you'll get my guidance, my entire group guidance, right from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, right, finally to me. And you will get 10% discount. After 10% discount, the price will be 46,728. For 12 months, it will be 32,126 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months. As you all know, we are going to hike our price very soon, right? And these are the prices, right? These are the prices after the hike. So check the difference between the present prices and after hike prices. Those who are serious to join our best quality courses, already we gave you a 7-day free trial to check our quality and depth of the courses. So do try to join on Unacademy. And we have introduced a 9-month subscription, those who are aiming at exactly GATE 2023. So which will be helpful for their preparation, right? Do try to subscribe for this. Of course, if you subscribe for 9 months, you will be getting extra 2 months, right? We are giving that offer also for you, right? And again, for Iconic, the price will be 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10. Right, for 12 months, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Again, we heard from you, and we have decreased our Iconic prices by 21%. Let us suppose take, right, after discount, previously 1 year Iconic price as 55,886. Now it is 52,000 only. So we will be providing you the best quality physical notes prepared by top educators in India for Iconic subscribers, whomsoever subscribes for 1 year and more. So do try to subscribe to Iconic and get the best quality content. And later on, we were dividing the categories of GATE into 4 branches, right? So for your hassle-free experience, and those who want to watch all those 6 categories, you can subscribe now itself, right? So do try to use this. Chalo, shall we start the class there? Yes. Now, before going to the exact questions, I just want to give you a simple explanation, right? So that it will be very smooth for your understanding. Let us suppose take in your permutations and combinations, I gave you three numbers, 1, 2, 3. Now, in how many ways can you arrange this 1, 2, 3? In how many ways can you arrange? It is not selection, arrangement I am asking you. So, chalo, I'll write down the things there. Now, आपकी formula, I mean, you don't know the formula, you don't know the approach also. आप layman approach पर लिख दीजिए इधर, right? So, see here, with 1, 2, 3, I can frame a number. I'll write down in increasing order. I can frame a number called 123. I can frame a number called 132. Is there any other number? Yes, increasing order. I can frame a number 213. I can frame a number 231. Four numbers हो गया. I can frame a number 312. I can frame a number 321. So with 1, 2, 3, how many numbers did I prepare here? So कितना आ गया? 6 आ गया. So this is what you do in your permutations and combinations also. Suppose take, right, as there are 3 numbers, I'll take 3 blocks. Ab bolo bhai, in the pehla block, either you can write 3 or 2 or 1. How many chances did you got? 3 chances. Ek number fix ho gaya. So in this block, how many chances are there? Only 2 chances, right? One number is already written now. So 2 chances here. Now here the last number, so 1 chance here. So totally this completely this, it is a 3-digit number. So as per general principles of counting, you have to multiply it. Will you accept with me? So it is 3 into 2 into 1. So my answer will be 3 factorial. 3 factorial is nothing but equal to 6. Am I right or wrong? I got the same number here. So now let us see in one more scenario. मेरे पास a numbers था, right? 1, 2, 2. Then will you get the same 6 numbers? In how many ways can you arrange them? Let us suppose take, I'll write down, right? So in increasing order, how many numbers can I, how many 3-digit numbers can I prepare? 122, 212, 221. आपके पास 3 numbers था. In the previous case, you got 6 ways. Now you are getting only 3 ways. Now what is the difference between the previous one and present one? Did anybody identify the difference between it? अब देखो भाई, here also you will get 6 ways. अब देखो, in the 6 ways, अब देखो 122 again this will repeat, 212 this will repeat, 221 this will repeat. So your repetitions must be eliminated. Totally 6 numbers will be formed. In those 6 numbers, some numbers are repeating. Am I right or wrong? Now see here, these 3 numbers are repeating. So I have to eliminate repetitions. I have to eliminate the repetitions. Am I right or wrong? So ab dekho, again I'll write down here with this 1, 2, 2. Again ab dekho, either 3 chances, right? Either 1 or 2 or 2. Either 2 chances. Either 1 chance. So totally how much here? It is 3 factorial. But in this 3 factorial ways, we have duplicities, right? Repetitions. Those repetitions have to be erased off. मैंने erase किया layman approach पर. In permutations and combinations, I have to write down in the denominator. The repetitions have to be eliminated. Eliminations must be written in the denominator. So is it 2 factorial? Because there are 2 numbers there. Done. So the same concept can be used for alphabets also. I'll show you one example with alphabets. You can follow the same approach. I am not writing any formula there, man. Observe it carefully. I am not writing any formula. Now, in how many ways can you arrange the letters of the word orange? O-R-A-N-G-E. Observe it carefully. Are there any repetitions in orange? Means any alphabet is repeating more than once? No. Totally there are 6 alphabets. I'll take down 6 blocks. Aram se clear, right? 6 blocks. Now see here in the first block, out of O-R-A-N-G-E, 1 alphabet will be fixed. 6 chances. here 5 chances, here 4 chances, here 3, here 2, here 1. Ab dekho, orange is a single word. As per general principles of counting, you have to multiply it. So your answer will be how much ma? 6 factorial. I'll write down one more scenario, a 6-letter word only. Now let me know, I'll write down kettle. Will the same approach work out for orange? Yes, the same approach will work out orange as likewise orange, but there are repetitions here. Ab dekho, E is repeated twice, 2 is repeated twice. It is also a 6 digit, I mean 6 word alphabet, right? 6 alphabet word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, so the 6 alphabets can be arranged in 6 factorial ways, and you have to eliminate the duplicities. Ab dekho aaram se, so this is 2 E's and 2 T's. Done. Sir, why this concept are you dealing it? In what way this will be helpful for me to solve the questions there? I will show you. So the things there, I'll go for a question, then I will explain you, right? Now this is the question there. In how many ways? Now see here, a point called ways is missing there. In how many ways can 5 apples be divided between 2 people, Sid and Manny? 2 people, Sid and Manny. Okay, chat. I'll do in a normal way. आपके पास कितना apples था? I don't like this. 1, 2, 4. I'll club the concept what I have dealt in the previous slide and now. Now, first of all, before going to that, you have a rope with you. Let us take an example. You have a rope with you, and you want to share this rope to 2 people. So you want to share this rope to 2 people. Kitna cuts marunga idhar? Bolo. So see here, if you do 1 cut, automatically this rope will become 2 pieces, and you can give it to 2 people. If you want to give to 3 people, you make 2 cuts, automatically 3 pieces are formed. You can give it to 3 people. And I'll use the same concept for this mango apples also. And by you want to give it to 2 people, matlab 1 division. You don't cut the apple, right? As a whole number, you have to take it right now here. Right? So अब देखो मैंने क्या किया, एक partition, right? एक cardboard sheet इधर ले लिया. So automatically 2 partitions happen. First person will get 1 apple. Next person will get 4 apples. Is this the only answer? No, this is not the final answer there. Now this is the answer there. You have to write down all the ways there. I'll write down this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll write down like this. Now bolo bhai. First person got 0. Next person got 5 apples. There is no such condition that any person has to get at least some number of apples there. So it can be 0 also. I'll write down one more way, then I will finally decide the answer there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ऐसा लिख दिया, right? So see, first person got how many apples? 2. Second person got 3 apples. By this I can decide one point here. I'll show you. So I'll write partitions like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. पूरा कितना partitions मैंने लिख दिया? 6. Am I right or wrong? Up closely observe karo. In the first chance, your cardboard sheet is in second place. Is this second place? Yes. I'll write down like this. Now in the second chance, so see, I'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your cardboard sheet is in first place. Am I right or wrong? Observe it carefully. In the third case, where is your cardboard sheet? I mean partition 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now see, is it in third place? Yes, it is in third place. By this, what can I decide? My partition can be in first place, can be in second place, can be in third place, can be in fourth place. Am I right or wrong? So it can take any position from 1 to 6. So by this, what can I decide? I can use the same permutations and combinations concept to solve the question fatafat and very, very easily. अब देखो मैं ऐसा लिखूंगा, right? So अब देखो आपके पास कितना partitions था, 6 partitions था. The 6 partitions can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. This is what you are doing there. But in this 6 partitions there are repetitions. What are those repetitions? Your apples, 5 apples are of same type. So we didn't say that they are of same texture, same color, same size, same shape. So is it, then this has to be eliminated, repetitions has to be eliminated, 5 factorial. Now into partition, so this cardboard sheet is one type only, 1 factorial. So what will be your answer there? Is it 6? Yes, 6, that I have proved there, because my partition can be in first place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place, sixth place. मेरा पूरा आंसर आ गया ना इधर, right? I hope so you got my point there. Now you closely observe there, in this case there is no such condition that Sid has to get at least some apples, Manny has to get at least some apples. So it can be 0 also. You have to start from 0 here. Negative values are not accepted, everybody know about this. Now I'll go with one more question. Now observe here this one. Now there is a condition there. In how many ways can 15 chocolate eclairs be distributed among 5 children, given that each children receives at least 1 eclair? First of all, in the previous case आपने बोला if you want to share it to 2 people, कितना partitions चाहिए? अब देखो 1 को, I mean 2 people को 1 partition चाहिए, 3 people को 2 partitions चाहिए. For 5 children you need how many partitions? You need 4 partitions. Am I right or wrong? First of all, let me know about this. Yes, perfectly. Now कितना chocolates था तुम्हारे पास? 15 chocolates था. So I'll write down like this, right? 5 children, I'll write down like this. If A, B, C, D plus E is equal to, here also ma, I can write down the same case like this also. Sid plus Manny is nothing but equal to 5. I can write down as an equation also. So see here, approach, I changed the approach there, right? Sid and Manny, the apples has to be divided between Sid and Manny. Now here, between these 5 children, again there is a condition given there. Each child receives at least 1 eclair, it seems. At least 1 eclair. Observe it carefully, at least 1 eclair. Now, in the previous case, Sid can get 0, Manny can get 0. Ab dekho, right? In this condition, what is the first person got? How many apples did first person got? 0. But will this condition be satisfied in the next question? No, not at all, right? Because Sid and every children has to get at least 1 eclair. By this, what can I say? My A cannot be 0, my B cannot be 0, my C cannot be 0, my D and E cannot be 0. Will you accept this? Yes, perfectly right. So, chalo, what shall we do, sir, right? We have only one approach, but I don't know any other formula also, then what shall I do? So, let's change the condition there. Ab dekho bhai, according to the question, my A cannot be 0 na. So, I'll change the condition for A. I'll write down A as A dash plus 1. Ab dekho, now see here, if A dash is 0, then my A value will be 1. My A dash is 1, my A value will be 2. So if I change this condition as A dash plus 1, my all A0 conditions are eliminated. Am I right or wrong? Yes. In the same case, I have to convert for B. B have to be written as B dash plus 1. C must be written as C dash plus 1. D is written as D dash plus 1. E is written as E dash plus 1. So I have eliminated all the conditions where my A, B, C, D, E can be 0 conditions. Am I right or wrong? So finally my equation changes like this: A dash plus B dash plus C dash plus D dash plus E dash is equal to how much here? So remove 5, is it 10? Yes, it is 10. Now ab dekho bhai, now you can get the answer very easily. See here, what is your answer there? Anybody in the comment section box? Now आपके पास 10 apple, let's you can convert in your own language now. आपके पास 5 persons था and 10 apples, let us suppose say 10 apples. 5 persons को कितना partitions ले लूंगा? 4 partitions. So total available number of blocks are how much? Totally 10 apples plus 4 partitions. You have 14 partitions here. This 14 partitions can be arranged in 14 factorial ways divided by, now you have to eliminate the duplicities. So 10 apples are there. I'm writing down in my own condition, right? So 10 chocolates are there into 4, and this is my answer there, and you can convert the answer later on. You might get a doubt, sir, is my answer correct? After 10 seconds per कर दिया, right? Is my answer correct? Yes, your answer is perfectly correct. How to prove it? I'll prove in a separate case, right? I'll prove in a separate case with one more example, then you can get clarity. Why my approach is very, very easy. I'll go with a question there. देखो, मैं आसान भाषा पर करूंगा and I'll use this technique, and you can use the choice whatsoever you want, right? So this is the question that was asked in one examination. I'll write down that question there. How many three-digit numbers can be formed such that sum of the digits is equal to 3. Of the digits is equal to 3. Sum of the digits is equal to 5. I'll take down 5. 5, 3 is so simple number, na? Okay. This is the question asked. Let us suppose take this is a 3-digit number here. So 3 dashes. I'll write down like this: A, B, C. A is in hundreds place, B is in 10th unit place, C is in units place. So according to the given condition, A plus B plus C has to be equal to 5. Am I right or wrong? Yes. And again, up they go. And again, you have to observe a clear case there. Your A cannot be 0, but your B and C can be 0. Now, how to change the equation? Your A must not be 0, matlab convert A into non-zero case. So I can write down A as A dash plus 1. Now, if my A dash is 0, my A will be 1. I have eliminated all the conditions where my A will be 0. So the equation will become A dash plus B plus C is equal to 5. Is equal to 4. Sorry, is equal to 4. Now I can write down this equation in my normal, whatever my PNC approach there. मेरे पास 4 coins था, 3 people. For 3 people, how many partitions shall I make? 2 partitions. So totally how many blocks will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks will be there. And the 6 blocks can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. Divided by any duplicities are there? Yes, there are duplicities. 4 factorial into 2 partitions. So automatically what will be my answer? 6 5s are 30 by 2, 15. So total how many numbers are formed? 15 3-digit numbers are formed such that the sum of the digits is equal to 5. Sir, आप कैसा लिखा, right? So see here. See, मैंने 30 seconds per answer लिखा, right? So I'll show in a normal approach, right? If you do in a normal approach, how much time will it take? Let us see. Let us suppose that you have to frame a 3-digit number. I'll write down in a decreasing order. तुम्हारे पास 3 numbers था, 5, 0, 0. Now in how many ways can you make them in order to sum of the digits? Now your only A has to be 0, only one way. 0, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, all these are not accepted because you cannot make a 3-digit number even though the sum is 5. Even though the sum is 5, but they are not 3-digit numbers. Next one, decreasing order. 4, 1, 0. Ab dekho, if you don't know permutations, So see here 410, 401, 104. These are the three numbers that you can frame with this numbers. Or otherwise, if you know permutations and combinations, you can do like this, right? So three blocks are there. In the first block, 0 is not allowed. So only 2 digits are possible there. In the second block, 0 is allowed and one more digit, 2 digits are possible. And here 1. So totally you got 4 there. And you can write down one more number, 140 also here. 140. So देखो अपने 4 आ गया and this is also 4 there, 4 ways. So pure primary language, and this is a little bit sophisticated. Next one. Is it 3 comma 2 comma 0? Yes, 3 comma 2 comma 0 will give you 5, and 3 comma 2 comma 0 also can be done in 4 ways. Yes, perfectly. Decreasing order, can I write down 3 comma 1 comma 1? If you don't know permutations and combinations, write down in a normal language. 311, 133, 113. Am I right or wrong? So sorry, 133, how can it be possible here? No. So 311, I'll write down like this. I'll write down like this. 311, 113, 131. These are the three numbers possible. Am I right or wrong? So if you know permutations and combinations, you can do like this. आपके पास 3 blocks था. These 3 blocks can be arranged in 3 factorial ways divided by, there are duplicities, 2 ones. So finally, can I write down 3 ways? Yes, I can write down 3 ways. Is there any other chances? Right? If you miss one chance, your entire answer will go wrong. 2 comma 2 comma 1 can also be done in 3 ways. So finally, this is the thing there. So add all those cases, you will get the answer. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 14, 14, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 1. Now see here how many numbers, how many 3-digit numbers are possible, so that the sum of the digits are equal to 5, 15. See here, मैं इतना किया इधर, I got the same answer by doing in this approach there. Is it clear? How many of you got this point perfectly here? Done. Chalo then. Now see here, this is what your normal layman approach. This is, I mean, आपकी textbooks पर बढ़िया बढ़िया भाषण, I mean, they will give very high language. They will be giving you in very high language here. Now the same question can be answered with a formula, right? So this is what the formula will be given in your textbook, right? You need not remember the formula, right? How many non-negative integer solutions? Previous class I gave you what is non-negative integers, right? Integer scale per 0, negative, positive. 3 will be there. Non-negative integer solutions. Means you have to eliminate negative. It can be 0 to positive. How many non-negative integer solutions can be formed? So this is the formula, right? N plus R minus 1 C R minus 1 C R minus 1. So see here, you can apply the same formula. आपके पास कितना apples था? 5. बच्चा था 2. 5 minus 2 minus 1 C R minus 1 2 minus 1 is the answer there. Is it 6C1? 6C1 is nothing but equal to 6, and I got the same answer there. Like this is the formula, right? You need not remember the formula for sure. Chalo, I will do the next one. Now see for this. So ab dekho, you are not writing 0 also here. So positive integer solutions for an expression. Positive integer solutions. अब देखो, this is the formula there. N minus 1 C R minus 1. अब आराम से देखो, how many chocolates are there? 15 minus 1. C, 5 people are there, 5 minus 1. Is it 14C4? 14C4 is nothing but equal to this value. So this is what the formula that you will be observing in your textbooks. You don't know how to apply this also. All your leading textbook have this formula, and they will give you some dump of questions, and you will be directly mugging up the formula and you try to answer the question there, which is highly impossible now. Once if you are acquainted with the approach only, you can make these questions very easily. Done. I hope so clear. So let's solve some more questions here. So I'll go with some questions 1 second. I will solve this question. Next question has to be solved by you. Right. How many 4-digit numbers exist such that the sum of the digits is equal to 4? Let us suppose take मेरा 4-digit number is A, B, C, D. This is my 4-digit number. So if I add all those digits, my sum has to be equal to 7. A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 7. Am I right? Yes. And अब देखो, in this my condition which we call it as Bose-Einstein separators. Now my A must not be 0. If my A is 0, it will be a 3-digit number, and my entire question will go wrong. My entire conditions distorts. So my A has to be written in non-zero format, A dash plus 1, because it has to start with at least 1. Right? So my equation changes to A dash plus B plus C plus D is equal to 6. Yes, it is equal to 6. And अब देखिए again I can use the same format there. आपके पास कितना persons था? 4. 6 coins are there. For 4 persons you need 3 partitions. So total available number of blocks is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dot dot dot, totally 9 blocks. So this 9 blocks can be arranged in 9 factorial ways divided by, in this 9 blocks 6 are of one type and 3 partitions are of one type. This is my answer there. This is my answer there. So how many of you got this logic there? So I will be little bit twisting the question there here. Let's see how many can answer this, right? I will be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try this. Any answer for this? अब देखो आराम से देखो what is the difference between previous question and present question, right? You might get little bit confused here. How many 4-digit numbers exist such that the sum of the digits is up to 7, it seems. Observe the previous question, it is equal to 7. Now you are not solving any equations, but right now you are solving inequalities, right? Ab dekho, let us suppose take my 4-digit number is A, B, C, D. Now if I add my digits A plus B plus C plus D, is it equal to 7? Is it equal to 7? No, it is not equal to 7. It is up to 7 means less than or equal to 7. Arey bhai, right sir? We have done up to now equations. मैं क्या करूँगा, right? I don't know how to do inequalities. चलो, I'll show you a simple language, right? आसान भाषा पर बोलूँगा, right? Let us suppose take Chauhan is there in the class. Chauhan के पास 7 gold coins था. He has to give it to 4 persons. And it is up to 7, right? So if he gives 6 coins to A, B, C, D, कितना coins बचेगा इस pocket पर? एक coin था. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? If he gives 5 coins, 2 coins will be left over. Am I right or wrong? If he gives 3 coins, 4 coins will be left over. If he gives 2 coins to them, how many coins will be left over with him in his pocket? 5 coins. So can I write down like this? I will convert these inequalities into equalities. A plus B plus C plus D plus Chauhan's pocket plus P must be equal to 7. Am I right or wrong? If ABCD gets 6 coins, Chauhan pocket per 1 coin bachega. If you add those things, that will be equal to 7. And now I can solve the question very easily, right? So ab dekho, by 7 coins you have to share to how many people? 5 people. A, B, C, D, 5. 5 people matlab you need 4 partitions. So how many partitions you have to solve? 7 plus 4, totally it is 11. And this 11 blocks has to be arranged in 11 factorial ways. Divided by, are there any duplicities? Yes, there are duplicities. 7 coins and 4 partitions, right? This is my answer there. Ab dekho, I already proved in a normal layman language also. There is no need to prove it again and again, right? You will get the same answer if you do in a normal approach also. Chalo, let's see next question, right? How many will solve this question there? So I will be giving you again 2 minutes. Try this. Answers for this? Chalo, what's the question asked? How many numbers having up to 4 digits, it seems here. Here, okay, exists such that the sum of the digits is equal to 3. Now, up to 4 digits, matlab, it can be a 4-digit number. So, see here, can be a 4-digit number. I'll write down like this: A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 7. It can be a 3-digit number. What shall I do? I'll write down like this: A, B, C, D. It can be a 3-digit number. It can be a 2-digit number. It can be a single-digit number. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Yes. A plus B plus is equal to 7. A plus B is equal to 7. A is equal to 7. So automatically everybody know if A is equal to 7, I can do only one thing. There is only one chance. Am I right or wrong? Okay, chance tha. Only one way. I'll write down this carefully here. Let us come to the next point there here. My A cannot be 0. So I'll, because if A is 0, it will be a 3-digit number. So I'll write down as A dash plus 1. So my equation changes to A dash plus B plus C plus D is equal to 6. Now they go, I can write down directly. There are 4 persons, 6 coins. So 3 partitions. So 9 factorial by 6 factorial into 3 factorial. I'll write down in 1 ink here. See this one. Again, the same case, A dash plus 1. So finally, what will be my equation there? So 3 persons, 2 partitions. This equation will become A dash plus B plus C is equal to 6. So it will be 8 factorial by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. Same case, I write down for this also. My A must not be 0 means A dash plus 1. So my equation changes to A dash plus B is equal to 6. Yes. So what will be my answer there here? So 6 2 persons. So totally 7 blocks. In the 7 blocks, 6 are of one type. One of one. Add all those cases, you'll get the answer there. Now, did you got the logic there? Up to 4 digits. It can be a 4-digit number. It can be a 3-digit number. It can be a 2-digit number. I hope so. I made it clear for you. So in the same case, so try this question there. Let's see how many can solve this. Any answer here? I'm not changing my format of explanation, my format of basics, what I have done. I'm doing with the same basic there. Now try, let us see this question there. आराम से देखो, how many numbers having up to 4 digits exist such that the digit is up to 7? Sum of the digits is up to 7, it seems. Either it is equal to 7, now it is up to 7, it seems. How? Let's see, right? If you, up to 4 digit means it can be A, B, C, D. I mean 4 digit number. It can be a 3 digit number A, B, C. It can be a 2 digit number A, B. It can be a single digit number A. अब देखो, let us suppose take, I'll write down A plus B plus C plus D. And this 4 digit number might be equal to 7 and might be less than 7, right? Up to 7 means maximum limit is 7. It cannot go beyond that and it has to be below the numbers there. Now, if you closely observe that those who are in mechanical engineering, you can easily understand, right? In basic linear programming models, you will be doing the same thing, right? Maximization and minimization of the expressions, right? So those, that p value, that is nothing but called dummy value to make the equation viable, right? Aram se dekho, right? So can I write down the same equation like this? A plus B plus C plus D plus Chauhan ka pocket, right? I'll write down with rating plus P is equal to 7. And again, ab dekho, my A must not be 0, because if my A is 0, it will be 3 digit number. I have to frame 4 digit numbers. A dash plus 1. So finally, the equation will become A dash plus B plus C plus D plus Chauhan ka pocket is equal to 6. Now Aram se, right, how many persons are there right now? 5 persons are there. You need 4 partitions. So totally 6 plus 4, 10 blocks will be available. 10 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 4 factorial. Now I'll write down, shall I write down the equation directly here? I can write down the equation directly here. Aram se dekho, I'll write down directly, right? A plus B plus C plus Chauhan ka pocket P must be equal to 6. Then what will be the answer there? A plus B plus C plus P is equal to 6 matlab, right? So the question here is 6, 4 are there na, so 3 partitions you need. So 9 blocks are drawn. 9 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 3 factorial. Now come to this one, I'll write down, because I wrote the equation elaboratively, but I'm not writing again same thing there. A dash plus B plus Chauhan ka pocket plus P is equal to 6. So what will be the answer there here? 3 persons are there. You need 2 partitions. So totally 2 partitions, 8 factorial by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. Come to this, right? Can I write down like this? A dash plus 1 is equal to 7. So so my A can be 7. I can write down like this, right? A dash plus 1 is equal to 7. My A dash is equal to 6. No. I have to write down like this. Sorry. A dash plus Chauhan ka pocket P is equal to 6. So automatically write 6 plus 1, 7 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 1 factor. Otherwise, you can easily answer this one. A can be 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. कितना numbers आ गया? 7 numbers आ गया. So this is equal to 7 only. So and they go add all those equations and you will get the answer there. So I'm not doing the mathematical solvations, right? So that you can do all those things easily. I hope so I am clear regarding this. I gave you the best explanation, right? So shallow, we'll solve 2 more questions like this. Let's see how many can answer this. So 1 second, I have got one question there. This one. 2 minutes, try this. Any answers for this? Sorry, yeah. Any answers for this? Shall I solve it? Observe that Scrat has 24 acrons and 4 holes to hide them in. In how many ways can he distribute the acrons given that one particular hole, his favorite, must have at least 10 acrons, it seems. Let us suppose take 4 holes. I'll take the first hole as A, second hole B, third hole C, and fourth hole D. And A plus B plus C plus D has to be equal to 24 acrons. Because there is one particular hole which is his favorite, it seems. In that hole, it has to be at least 10 acrons. So my favorite is A. My A value has to start with at least 10. Previously, we took 1 because according to the equation there. So is it A dash plus 10 now? This, because my A has to start with 10. Perfectly. So A dash plus B plus C plus D is equal to how much? Is it 14? Yes, it is 14. Now, in how many ways can you make it? There are 4. Let us, how many partitions do you need? 3. 14 plus 3, 17 blocks you will be drawing there. 17 factorial divided by 14 factorial into 3 factorial. This is my answer. I hope so you got my answer there. Done. And this way we can solve many questions there. So find this approach there which will be damn helpful for you to solve the questions there. So I hope so I'm clear. So today I will forward most of the questions to you here. And as I already informed you, we are segregating the categories for hassle-free experience into 4 separate subscriptions, right? So mechanical, chemical 1, civil 1, CS and ECE 1, right? Observe this. Those who want to watch all the 6 branches, yes, you can subscribe right now. And again, you know that I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can unlock combats with my code NLN10, right? Combat, as you know, that it's an scholarship test conducted by Unacademy. Based upon the marks, you can get at least 25 to 100% discount. Yes, you can unlock my free classes on Unacademy using with my code NLN10. The price for plus for 12 months will be 32,126 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. As you know, there is a price hike coming soon, and do try to subscribe before the price hike. And we have introduced one more 9-month subscription also. So those who are aiming at GATE 2023, this will be a better way to plan, and you will be getting extra 2 months also. So see here, for 12 months you will be getting extra 3 months. For 18 months, you'll be getting extra 4 months. For 24 months, you'll be getting extra 4 months. Done. And for iconic, the price will be 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. As already we said that we have decreased the price of iconic, so to cater to more students, those who want to subscribe to iconic and get best physical notes prepared by topmost educators in India, right? And those who are aiming at only test series, right, weekly solutions, detailed solutions of your performance, you can go for GATE Lite subscription, which will be damn helpful for your test preparations. And again, if you have any doubt, you need not wait for anyone's help, right? You can click the picture of your doubt, upload in doubts and solutions, select your preferred language, and you'll get the video solution within minutes. And you can ask 3 doubts at a time. So do try to join my special classes, right? As I have dealt for at least 120 colleges, right? Special classes, right? On campus placement, my strategies will be damn surely helpful to crack the dream company placements, where our interaction levels will be 10x more than on YouTube, right? It will be a gamified and electrifying environment. Do try to join this and join this Telegram group. You'll get all the updates regarding the classes and upcoming courses by all the educators, not only me. And Please do try to hit the like button, share my classes if you like it so that I can reach to more number of audience. Subscribe to the channel, like download the PDF from the Telegram group, hit the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this.